Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create these crimped waves. First thing you're going to need is a brush, but today I'm going to use my Tangle Teaser. I'm going to work through my hair to get out all the knots so it's nice and smooth.
So uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone.
Next I'm going to go in and make a part. I like mine in the middle, but you can't always do it to the side. So the first product I'm going to use is the Primark UV spray to really protect my hair while I'm using the waver. I'm going to start from the root and bring it down to the ends and then give it a quick brush so it's nice and blended in. Next I'm going to go in with Got To Be Twisted Anti-Frizz spray to really minimise the frizz in my hair and give a nice shine. Again, I'm going to brush that through my hair. Next step, I'm going to use Got To Be Glued hairspray. I always find using a hairspray first gives a really nice defined wave. Next, I'm on to curling the hair. I'm going to use this Primark Curl Waver. I'm going to leave the name of it in the description box so you can go and check it out. When curling the hair, get as close as you can to the root. Be careful to not burn yourself, as I have in the past. I like to go through the hair in sections. Try to not pull the hair too much, as this will pull and drag the wave out. Keep it nice and slack as it goes to the waver to keep a nice defined curl.
It's stupid, I spun me a nice, so no more. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
As I've got a fringe, I'm going to try and blend it in with the rest of my hair to keep it out of my face. And I'm going to go in with a bit of hairspray and some clips while it sets.
Can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited.
So I'm going to speed the video up a bit now just because it is a very long process. I'm just going to quickly go through and curl all the front and the back of my hair.
While you're alone, this girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm overfighting.
So once I've finished curling it, I'm going to go over it again with a bit more hairspray just to give it that shine and to keep the curls in place for longer.
This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes
going to go with a bit of Got2b oil just to give it that nice gloss and nice shine.
Touch me no more.
That's it guys, hope you like this glamorous wave tutorial. Give the video a like and a comment and I will see you next time. Bye!